And we're back to Adobe Illustrator in the year day 134. Let me show you how you can create a half pie chart. We'll start with a pie chart. Left click on the canvas, make it 500 times 500. Now we add yet again our social media names. And last one, we make that Facebook again. Now I add my values for each. So we start just like with a regular pie chart. And once you've got it, we can't actually turn this directly into a half pie chart. Let me access the data again. So right click on it, data. What you actually need to do is to add a placeholder. So add another data pair. Let me call that placeholder. And the value needs to be all of the other values combined. So 15 plus 33 plus 19 plus 25. Unfortunately, you cannot use this bar right here directly for calculations. So use a calculator or do it in your head. What is it? 15 plus 25 is 40, plus 19 is 59, plus 33 is 90. Not 96, it's 92. I'm sorry, it's still early in the morning, but 92 is okay. You can see that we have a straight line here. Half of the pie is now this placeholder. I can close this, make sure it's selected, then go to Object, Ungroup, confirm the warning message, then Object, Ungroup All. Now we delete the placeholder here. I select the chart and rotate it. And by the way, I hold Shift and rotate it. This makes it snap. And now I can delete the bottom segment. And we've got our half pie chart. As always, you can now change the fill color to give it a different appearance. But this is basically it. So you combine all the values that you've got. In my case, I had 4 data pairs. But if you have like 16, you simply sum them all up. And then you add a 17th segment, a 17th data pair, and give it the sum. And afterwards, when you ungroup it, you can just delete it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.